Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the daily repair serums. We have two different serums, but their goal is the same, is to provide deep hydration to the skin. When we talk about hydration, we actually talk about water. So infusing the skin with the water it needs, as opposed to moisturizing effect, which has to do with oils. So as we age, of course, the skin tends to dehydrate, and this will be an amazing product to start using. It's made with a lot of algae extracts, and one of them has rose as the main ingredient. This one will be ultra hydrating. So for a skin type that tends towards dryness, that's the one to use. And we have it in both the Vata or the Rich Repair collection or the Pitta collection, the Fine Line collection. The other one has meadowsweet as the main ingredient, and that one is hydrating as well, but with a little twist. It's actually also sebum balancing. So if your skin tends towards oiliness, that's the one you're going to use, and that one will be in the Balance collection for Kapha skin. So hydration is one thing that the serum does. The other thing is really to rejuvenate the skin and help it from day-to-day exposure to the elements. So what I'm going to use today is the one for the one with the rose, because my skin, I have a Pitta skin that tends towards dryness, so that's really the one I'm going to use. You can put just a little bit. 2 pumps is probably all you need. You just want to cover your face and your neck. And then just go ahead and apply. And yeah, we tend to forget the neck, but it's actually pretty important. And with this product, you don't have to worry about being too close to the eye. And there you go. So that's the first of our serums.